Firelogue is a coordination and support action that was funded under the European Green Deal, and it is bringing together 3 very large innovation actions that received more than 60 million of funding from the European Commission in total. All the projects work on wildfire risk management and enhancing and developing new measures to reduce wildfire risk. And Firelogue as such brings together the projects, tries to facilitate the networking across the involved stakeholders, and also to integrate the results that these projects are producing. This time around we meet in Greece. Again, the 5 working groups are coming together to discuss throughout 3 days the solutions from the projects, their implications, but also start drafting recommendations towards the European Commission. So basically the idea is to work within the thematic groups, but also to understand again the cross-links between them in order to identify different aspects on which we want to develop recommendations or suggestions towards the policy domain. So building on Sosona and building on the workshop that we're having now in Makri in Greece, we will also have a couple of webinars that the different working groups are facilitating, so to further enrich the perspectives of the experts they have already involved, and also to include additional aspects that may contribute to the drafting of the recommendations.
If you want to contribute to our platform, then you go to Lessons on Fire by Firelogue and become a registered user. If you want to learn more about our projects, about the working groups and about the upcoming events, then visit firelogue.eu.